How would you enjoy earning a little bit more for each job? And I'm not talking about hiking your prices, I'm talking about upselling. Hi, I'm Aaron from Gas Engineer Software. Keep watching to learn what upselling is, why you should be doing it, and how it can benefit you and your customers. First, what's so good about upselling? In short, it's a win-win situation. Upselling benefits both you and your customers. If you go in with the intention of being helpful and not a pushy salesman, customers are almost always receptive. You'll be benefiting their life in some way or another, making a few quid extra in the process. What exactly can you upsell? When you're on the job, think about upgrades, additional services and problems that your customers are having. Some good suggestions include offering a newer, more reliable and energy efficient boiler instead of offering to service a safe but old one, replacing old and inefficient radiators, adding TRVs so they can be individually controlled, installing smoke alarms, power flushing, smart home integrations like Nest, and unvented hot water tanks if it's suitable. These are just a few ideas, and there's lots more. If you see or notice something, just tell the customer. Most customers will be happy to go ahead if it's reasonable. Upselling tips for busy engineers. Use your expertise. Explain the benefits of the upgrade and additional services. Tell them similar stories or experiences you've had, and so on. Focus on the future. Show customers how their extra product or service will save them money and add comfort in the long run. Be genuinely helpful. Don't pressure a customer, especially if they're budget conscious, but build trust by offering solutions that benefit the customer and not just your wallet. Here's how we can help you upsell. Create and modify quotes in seconds. Streamlined paperwork so you've got more time to focus on customer service and upselling. Improve communication. Track customers' job history and personalise your upsell approach. Make notes. Track potential upsell opportunities in Gas Engineer Software. Share this video with fellow engineers who want to boost their profits. And thanks for watching.